neighbors, gearheads of all ages. This is your fun-loving, crock-wearing Field Agent 880 coming to you for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And look at what we have here. This is a Chrysler Newport. And this looks to be like a 71 maybe. But as obvious as looking at right here, it's a two-door hardtop. So this is a C body. And this would be, I guess, the fuselage design. Kind of a dark green. The car has been sitting for a while, you can tell. Still got the old bi-ply tires on it. But it had a, yes, at one time, I imagine, this was somebody's pride and joy. They put a set of keystones on it. The thing, I kind of dig the green. Typical vinyl top. This one might be a little far gone. Doggone it. I'm just walking up on it, so y'all come on and go with me and tell me what you think. My buddy said he picked one up. I come over to take a look at it, and this is what I found. But, you know, the body lines on these cars I have always liked. And I've got a soft spot for these because I actually had one at one time. It was a big block car, and it was bright red with a black top and black interior from the factory. And we named it Gossamer. If anybody remembers Looney Tunes cartoons, you'll get that and get a chuckle out of it. So I did. But I've always liked the lines on these cars, and yeah, just cool cars. They always rode and drove good. This one's a little worse for wear. The Chrysler emblem in the bumper of it. But man, the taillights look good in it. That one does too. So the bumper's got a little ding in it right there below the tail light. And where the roof line, where that vinyl top has got it, you can see she's got a little going on there. But man, the old car looks to be pretty complete. I'm gonna see if I can get the door open on it. Yeah. Of course, you could use a little grease, huh? Yeah, the door panel's in good shape. It's got the wood grain. It's power windows, so this is it's a Newport, not a New Yorker. Oh wow, look at the dash. Dash is in good shape too. Looks like, uh-oh, so what I think it is. It looks like a FM converter. That's alright, huh? Back seats and all look pretty good. Yeah, the headliner's coming down. Of course, you'd expect that. Man, the back seat don't look bad at all. Those door panels look good too. I don't know how the floors are in it. I'm gonna try to get around to the other side. Hey, I like these cars. There it is. The Newport, or the Chrysler Newport emblem in the grill. Front bumper ain't too bad on it. It don't look like it's bent at all. Always love these. You know, some of the Mopar guys all know what these are, but those are actually turn signals. That lights up when you hit the flash of the turn signals to let somebody on the curb know that you're turning, so they don't step off in front of you. I think was the reason, other than just being cool. But That says, oh yeah, get that. Newport Royal. I imagine dark green. It's plenty green. Dark green with a dark green top and a dark green interior. It looked like that piece of trim there was missing on the other side. But man, this little body on this car is in pretty darn good shape. The lower quarters and stuff. The rockers and the doors and all, the fenders. That's pretty good. The darn, man, that top, that's a heartbreaker right there. And I know that can be fixed. I'm sure there's people out there saying, oh no, don't junk it for that. You can fix that. I know people have fixed worse, but yeah, it'd have to have a whole skin, because right there's the inner structure of it. Man, that is so sad. Because this whole car is pretty cool. It's good and complete. Like the seats, the seats are a little rough. But man, check that out. Let's see if I can get a lead on the mileage here. Bear with me just a second. I'm going to pause it. It's like the standard fare AM, but it's still got the factory radio in it. 120 mile an hour speedometer. It's kind of dark in here, but I was trying to see if I could get a eyeball on the mileage, but I'm not having much luck. Give me just a second, see if I can get a light on it. Alright, I got a little light on now. Let's see if we can tell. The mosquitoes trying to eat me up. Yes. Hard to tell, but man, the dash and all's in good shape. Everything's there. We can see it's an air conditioning car by those little vents. And power, that was pretty cool. That was a big deal, you know, the power disc brakes. Spelled it out on the pedal there. That's all right. I'm gonna see if I can get under the hood here. I mean, down, right down in there. The rockers and all that. That car looks in pretty good shape. That thing opens and closes tight as a tick, too. Golly. Been on the road, or hasn't been on the road since looks like 93. See if I can get this hood open for us. You know, these cars, you could have gotten with about any power plant. Yeah, on up to a 440. There it is. And this one, well, it's not a 440. That one's a small block. Hey, like that. Power steering, power brakes, air condition, and this is on a Chrysler Newport. I'm pretty sure that's a 71. I'm gonna see. I wouldn't think that would be a 318, but it might have. Let's see if that will tell us anything. Right there. Oh, it's upside down, but it says 360. So there it is. Chrysler Newport with a 360. Power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, decent interior, and a decent body. And you see the rockers and everything on it. A little bit in the lower quarter right there, but and back here at the back. So that's, I'd be interested to see how the trunk looks since it tops like it is. But overall, I mean, this car, it is a savable car if somebody is interested in saving one. This looks like it'd be a good one. I'm trying to get the box open. Hey, there we go. Check that out. This will tell us for sure. Well, we know it's not 67 Pontiac. Have a look. There it is, 1971 Chrysler Operator's Manual. What is, 71 Operator's Manual. Important safety equipment. Yeah, I always love these, the original paperwork and stuff that you find, that tells the stories of some of these cars. Chrysler makes it happen. I guess they're promoting the boats too. There you go. Your Chrysler man in Detroit. An important message. Byron J. Nichols, Vice President. Operation Cares. Wow. Now this is pretty cool. We want clean air, so does your Chrysler Corporation. This was in 19... Oh, I always thought these was pretty cool. It gives you specifications on acceleration and passing and that sort of thing. That's pretty cool. Wow. So there it is. A lot of the original paperwork. 1971 Chrysler Owner's Manual. On a 1971 two-door Chrysler Newport Royale. Put that up. I'll close button everything up here in just a minute. But there it is. That just blows me away. All the glass is good. Looks like most of the trims there, it's missing that piece on the quarter, but man, what a cool car. And y'all got to see it right here with me firsthand. Field Agent 880. If you get a chance to take a look at this video, tell your buddies about it, share it with them. Hit your subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and the bell notification. And we'll keep bringing this stuff to you. And, Bob, unfortunately, we'll keep piling editing duties on that guy. Sorry, Bob. But we appreciate, us field agents appreciate you trying to make us look as good as you can with what you're working with. But we have a good time with these things, and we really appreciate the subscribers and the people that take a few minutes to to tune in and watch the videos, because it's not scripted. You're looking at these things just like we are, and in most cases that's where most of the fun happens. But we'll keep bringing them to you. It's Field Agent 880 for Bob at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Y'all know what to do. Appreciate it.